slow the tide to hear my soul, to find the place that makes me whole. The waves of time have pulled me far. Now I remember who we are. I come back home to love again, to heal the places I have been. The safest light is born inside, a quiet strength the storms can't hide. Old echoes call from yesterday, but I can choose a softer way. I open wide to give that man. Let tenderness become my friend. I let the past fall from my hands so deep, love can take a stand. What truly matters starts within. That is a place where I begin. I come back home to love again, to heal the places I have been. The safest light is born inside, a quiet strength the storms can't hide.